Hey!
Wait! Oh! I first talk more. I don't know where he foresee big man sickness. Oh!
This is serious. What's in there? Huh? Why they cry? And you, why they cry? Huh? Una two they cry and they cry they mix. I talk and say, man when carry woman where he say he no be inside. Now suffer him don't condemn himself to sufferness all through the rest of his life. You don't see your condition. You be like one small knapsack where they supposed to carry go slave trade. Huh? Then carry go bus, nice bus, to carry travel to inside desert. Now you go marry person where you don't big like NEPA pole. Huh? Bring come house.
Shut up your mouth! Shut up! When be the last time when you know say me and my wife fight? Since I don't know say she go to beat me, not so run at the road. So mind yourself.
Now one of our containers die. I don't know where she foresee big man.
So, Ekida, why? Why now? Ekida, when you hold me for 4 months straight, go down. Why you go down? Why you go down, yo? Madam, how you dey here? Na the hospital people now they say somebody come.
Yeah. But me, I think say now you hear what make you dey cry.
Who the fool who here? So, madam, na assumption. Just you sit down now, you begin to imagine imagination. Now you want to make everybody come to get them.
Now what you don't know? Now you go tie your hand and leg, put for inside prison. Who we are tell you say, and he die?
Me, I think say now you hear. No bless you.
Okay, now, what thing you going here? Wake up to make you cry. Who beat you?
My friend, when my papa die, I can inherit this house. As the landlord. Now I can go borrow money from microfinance bank. Say make I use and take refurbish the house. I can't lie to them, say I want use and do business. So as I borrow the money, I can use and dig sock away. So in order to get the money back, I pursue all the tenants, call new tenants, put them for the house. One of them come pay me one year house rent. So you see, I never be paid the money back. 1 year never even reach. So I can wait all full. As I don't pay the money back, now I don't reach the place to go take her.
Wait, you dey cry. You dey cry of money or you dey cry say your toilet is done for.
You not care here.
Of all the things where you supposed to invest your money put inside, you decide to invest in pit toilet, isn't it? It is. You decide to invest in pit toilet, and the financial advice when they give you for inside that microfinance bank, not to invest in pit toilet.
I don't invest in pit toilet. I don't invest in pit toilet.
You will soon be the special advisor to the chief of your village. Pit toilet affairs. Idiot.
Idiot, monkey. My friend, that you be fool. People tell us that was so shit, man.
Yeah, sorry.
Why you tell me sorry now?
They share money for hospital. No be either you go see sick person or you go there to go cure yourself.
Actually, now one of my things. She know well, but she got the owe me money for 4 months now. My house rent, she not give pay me, so I decided to go collect them from her.
Hey, you are you? You see, me as you see me, I dey share your same predicament. Person in there where they owe me since he no gree pay me. But as it be so, it be like say hope no come dey.
No, hope there now. You don't see me now. Employ me. As I be draw money when that one my work.
You mean
you'll give me 10%.
You mean
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The address of the person. Now about 206 for General Hospital Mortuary.
Hey, you know what you dey talk to? How you go say I go draw dead body money?
You regress? You will go draw living person money for inside hospital. Wetin be the difference?
That one a person where be say they owe me since he see they alive.
The one where they owe me, he don't owe me. He won't carry the, he don't, before he carry the thing, go reach land of the dead where he no fit return. Go collect them for mortuary. Slap and tell him make he bring my money.
I don't say now so now make your life then so. Come on for there.
See this one? Yes, you be. All the money where you don't ever collect your tenants, now so you go just they swallow. The thing go they weigh you down. Every time you go they low. See am, bungalow like you.
See, get one business idea while you cook for my head.
You dey always dey cook for your head as if your head in a stove where they cook idea. Oh yeah, talk this one whether you go work.
We will pretend like say me I be sick. I get kidney problem. Then you go carry my picture, cry come out. Go cry where you cry go meet that man where give that my tenant money make you treat him no sickness. I know say if you meet am, he will give you money, and the money go big well because na kidney problem.
See, before this your future kidney disease catch you, how you go think say you go fit go convince person? If they go ask us say make we bring doctor's report and which hospital we take then admit you, make dem tell you say you get kidney disease, wetin we go talk?
Leave that one to me now. I don't already cook down for my head. I maybe master planner. See, this is the latest Yahoo in town. Yes.
They say all things working together for good. Na lie. No be in this case. It not be in this case because you are not working together for good. You are 18. You are not working together for good as you be so. I don't know as me and you take cross paths how two of us take it. I know touch a which can God. You call God name put for inside things well. Like, you don't know say na devil. Now all these ancestral spirits when they follow you, I carry my own ancestral spirit from my wife. You know, they come get
and then na good thing now, na good thing.
And God decides to make two of us come meet. But as I did now, I don't break that kind of thing again. I don't understand how all these evil things and intentions they enter your head ever since they become former landlord.
Listen, you know your problem. You know the thing. That's where the thing will give you idea. Will be doing anyhow. Go do and will tell you.
I beg. I don't try everything. This man who is so, he don't die finish. And the power is within your hand to raise him up from here. He used to be the breadwinner of his family, and now he is breadwinner emeritus. I will tell you, every money where I did gather from government and well-meaning Nigerians and good-meaning well-wishers, we don't put that into dialysis. And the small one we can remain, I take and carry and also for visa and flight tickets. The one will remain now. We are come meet you because I know, say, you be kind-hearted human being. Now, money for hospital bill. So that my brother go well.
It's okay. It's all right. I'm surprised. The increase in kidney failure here and there. What is really the cause? What is happening?
You ask me? I wanted
If you don't need to cry, it's okay. Please.
my brother, let me take that. Oh. No. I don't know whether not spiritual kidney disease.
My friend, how much are we looking at here? Please, tell me.
We don't know. 2.5 million.
It's alright now. Hey, please, you don't need to cry, eh? You know what? I should see me in my office tomorrow. Okay, you know, see me in my office tomorrow and let me raise some cash to assist your brother.
You mean that?
Very well.
You mean that?
Very well.
God, thank you, bless you.
It's okay,
It's okay.
Good afternoon.
Thank you.
This is my doctor. He's also my family friend.
Wow. Doctor.
What's that? I don't know. Your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Mr. Young.
Dr. Mr.
Yes.
Young. He said his brother is suffering from kidney failure and they need more assistance. Yeah.
Yes,
I'm so sorry about your brother, my family. For how long has he been sick now?
like 3 years. Now this Oga, he can't help me. We won't take and travel out. No worry, your in sickness pass your power. We won't fly outside country. Sometimes I go back.
Don't worry. It's like you have forgotten your order for food.
Okay. Hey.
Do you have any of the doctor's records?
I guess, yeah.
Pictures.
And doctor's reports 90 days from where I never did.
Okay, but this is a man that is sick. This is your brother, right? How long did you say he has been sick?
Okay, numbers, I want to ask you a question. Numbers, what do you talk say you did before?
Oh, I'm a medical doctor.
You sure? Because your face will be like, you be like police. Your face, especially when you talk, you say, how long? When you say long, this your nose be like this. You can't be like police, they ask person question. You don't want happy or where they can't face it.
No, I just don't know. For the pictures here, I just want to really confirm how long I actually been, you've been on sick bed,
You don't reach 3 years.
Why do you want to take undue advantage? What?
Why do you want? You say, why do I want to take undue advantage? When you keep the undue advantage, why they take it? Why do you want to put Sansa in some other person's garage? Why?
This man is a fraud. These pictures, they are the pictures of the man who claimed to be his landlord. The one he brought to my clinic. The man that ordered that he must pay his 4-month rent while he was still lying in the hospital before she goes home.
You get eye block. You know what I'm saying? My brother they suffer from kidney problem, but your own is like an eye problem and sense problem. What do you talk about, man? Huh? Now only what you know they say God they create people they mix, they resemble anybody anyhow. Huh? You don't know. You know person will resemble Oshomole for inside Senegal. Huh? You know person will resemble Buhari. Huh? For inside Ivory Coast. You don't know some people this is not my brother, he never been landlord. Look at that, this person really.
So you are saying that the person here and the one I'm talking about, they are not the same persons?
They know be the same person.
Oh, he's not your brother.
You know my brother, the guy they talk about. I know me from. I know him.
So he's not your brother.
And he's not, yes, the one where you talk, I know be my brother.
Oh, they are two different persons. Oh, I'm not doubting you, so it's okay. You see, friend, we to confirm the authenticity of his claim. So I felt we should invite. Yes.
Bro, still, in my past, I've been just one like this past. Go somewhere. Now my spirit said that I won't ask me for food. I don't want to favor.
So, you don't need my favor anymore?
No, I'm not against you.
I said I don't want the favor again. Carry on. Then you want. I don't really put bread inside my mouth. No be you. You can't use your long hand.
He has promised to help you.
Don't the man go fire you. Sorry, sir. Time for.
No.
But wait. Don't you wait.
That means you were really lying all along.
I'm not a lie, I understand. Who feel like good a lie?
You are
Or you want to
the thief.
ask what?
You are the thief.
Your father name is thief. He the grace.
Just look at him.
See him. Don't the man go fire you.
Go and look for a job. Oh, yeah, I'm really hungry. Come down, okay? Young lady, I mean you have pounded. Oh, good. With black soup. You will garnish it with a lot of bushmeat. Of course. Good.
What about my food? You want that I put that for you? Okay, sorry, I asked for what is that idiot that was sitting there before? What he demanded? You can take care of that. I will set it for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Frank, you see, don't worry yourself. He referred to me as an evil spirit. Let's ask.
But do you know that I almost spent for him 2.5 million and I said you come and collect it tomorrow?
It's okay. We thank God you have this way. Come on. Yes,
What is going on?
the jobless situation in our country.
Okay, thank God. You take it also.
Wetin be this? So business wey me plan, I cook am, I can't send you, make you go do am. The benefit only you and don dey chop am. You say speed. Hey, na this one make many youths no dey last. Na me dey kill them. Wetin you dey talk? You say wetin?
He dey put his bit for inside this.
I dey put speed. Make I carry the food. Wetin dey worry you? Eh? Which one be this one sef? Eh?
Ebola is real.
No, carry the chair. Carry the chair. Food. Carry the chair now.
I go put inside this to eat.
Man, this is take it to. Sa person big. Eh? Now this one make they keep people. Just look at him. Idiot. Don't worry.